Take a look at this. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share this video to all of your friends. Now let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so welcome to today's mini tutorial, and today we will try to import my chest inventory system and to make multiple chests carry different items. So usually with this inventory system, the common case was that you had, or when you had multiple chests, that you had, or that all of these chests shared the same inventory. And we will try to get rid of that, and we want our chests to have different inventories, guys. Yeah, and that's the topic for today's video. So I've just set up everything, guys, in the background, so just copy that if you want to. Now let's see. Alright, so my inventory is empty. Now let me insert some stuff, just to see that everything works fine. So let me just insert a sword model right here. Yeah, so there we go. Alright, so we are able to put it inside, but we did not add this sword to a certain folder in this replicated storage, but everything does work, guys, so that's all right. Okay, now how do we get rid of this universal inventory thing? So how do we change this to multiple inventories? So that's actually quite difficult. Now let's see. So let's go inside of this script right here, and let's add a folder called INV, stands for inventory. And now up here, let's add a new data store. So I'm defining this variable right here, and now referring to the data store service, and then getting a data store. Okay, and the name of this data store is equals the name of our chest. Okay, so just make sure that all of your chests have different names, otherwise they will share the same inventory as another chest, for example. So script parent, okay, so we want to refer to this chest right here, therefore script parent. That's what we want to do, and then name. Alright, and now we need to do one certain thing. So we need to add a new folder for every player who has joined inside of this folder right here, and we need to remove the folder once the specific player leaves. So player added, so this is an event of this players tab right here, and it of course fires once a player has been added to the game, guys. Player. And now let's add let's find another variable which represents a folder which we just create. So instance new, so a new instance, which is a folder inside of this inventory folder right here, script inv. And now this folder should have the same name as the player, therefore folder name equals the player's name. Now we want to put those items inside of this folder, guys. Now let's just take a quick look to this script, because this one contains everything regarding the save mechanism, etc. So we can just simply add the save function right here. Find folder, so we have to change the find folder to, is it or no? need the player, but script, so find folder needs to be our folder right here. So script player name, PLR name. Sorry. Okay, so now let's add those two as well. So I've just told you guys that this is the event once the player has been added, and these two things, so this especially is the event when the player is being removed, means the player leaves, and this thing, bind to close, describes the case when the server is close to shut down. Alright. And let's also clear up this folder right here once the player leaves. So crypt PLR name destroy. Oh wait, yeah, so I forgot to INV. Yeah, so we forgot to add this INV right here. Okay, now to the loading mechanism. So if you do not know how the saving mechanism works, then I recommend you to check out the chest inventory video, guys, because I have explained everything in that video. Now to the loading mechanism. So we just copy that. And we of course need to change a few things. Use ID. Okay, there we go. Alright, that's it. Okay, now we somehow need to make the script react to a fire server. So how should that work? It is going to be pretty easy, guys. So we need to add another argument right here called chest name, and this one will verify that the chest we try to work with is this specific chest, for example. So I think that it would get more clear to you guys once we test this out. Okay, so let me just try to do that first. So we of course need to pass this chest name right here as well in this fire client. Script parent name. And there we go. And now open INV. So I need to look how this works. Oh, I see. Alright, so there's another thing we need to do. So the thing is that, where is it? Removed, edit. Okay. Item. Last click, change. Okay. Now, we first of all should add a new variable right here called chest name. Where is it? Yeah, so the second argument is the chest's name. So let's call it CN. And the chest name is going to be equal to CN. That's the first thing. And now the second thing is that, as you can see, it only reacts to changes regarding this data folder right here. So we somehow need to, well, handle that. Now, how do we do that? So let me just see. Yeah, we need to find this chest inside of the workspace first of all by using this chest's name, and then somehow refer it to the folder. Okay. So if chest name, then, well, okay, so this seems to be difficult, to be honest. So workspace, chest name, chest clicker, script, inv, player name, changed, no, not changed, child edit, connect function. So I'm just gonna try out this thing, just for experimenting enough, around, I mean. So where is it? INV. So once this chest inventory system has been closed, we want to turn this chest name to nil, so it stays empty. Okay, f inf, then f equals data. Let's change this to this. So we basically change the place or the instance which is being looped through to our chest inventory. Also right here, add this chest name again. Change. Okay, so now I think that we are finished regarding this. So let's just see what we should do here. Player backpack, item name. Alright, so basically this is the place where our backpack item is being converted inside of this inventory folder. It means it is being saved. So let's get rid of this. So this is the place to which our int value is being stored to, and we need to change this up to script inv plr name, so our player's inventory folder. Okay. All right. Now let's just take this and put it inside of here. Okay. So that's it. Let's delete this inventory thing and let's put these tools, so copy them and let's put them inside of our starter pack. And let's see if this has worked, guys. Let's hope so. Inf data. There we go. Let's delete this thing. Let's get rid of those. String expected got nil. Oh yeah, because the chest name is empty at the beginning. So what do we need to do to fix that? Let's just delete those functions so they have been fired without any reason. So there's actually no purpose in firing them because our GUI is invisible. Okay, connect. Oh my god, come on. Yeah, connect, come on. Alright. Okay, so it is not able to, well, see my inventory. Well, because I need to fire this update inf to our backpack. So that's the reason, I hope. Okay, now our inventory is visible. I mean, our backpack is visible. Okay, and now nothing happens. File server chest name change, rename, where? Okay, why does this not work? Let's just test this out another time. Let's see. So let's keep an eye out for this folder right here. Okay. I see. So nothing is being created inside. And I don't know why, so let's check this out. Change if location is backpack, then find the item name. I found. Find destroy. So why is this not working? Print chest name, probably because of this chest name check we are doing at the beginning. Okay, probably not. Well, it does fire server, and it does, or it should pass this check right here. Wait, script, parent name. Okay, so what's the problem? Like, for real. Past 2. Okay. So it doesn't seem to pass this check. Oh my god. So just because of this simple mistake, so I have written chest.name instead of just chest name. Okay, so this does work. Let's see if it does save. Okay, so we have those values right here. Now let's close this thing. Let's try to open it again, and it does work. Now let's close it, and let's see if they successfully load after we have rejoined. And if that does work, then let's try out multiple chests. Okay, so it did not save. Let's add a check right here. So if it's run service is studio, then so we are basically checking if we are currently in Roblox Studio, because if that's the case, then we do not want to save, because this error right here happens when you try to save too often, and I can imagine that using this and this at the same time is probably causing this issue right here. Okay, so let's hope that this has worked somehow. Okay, so it did save. Wait. Okay, then we... Okay, so it does save. And we need to call this update inv once this open inv is being, this task is being processed. So that's probably the solution for this, and there we go. Okay, so memorize, Katana, and Yuru are saved inside of this chest. Now let's leave and let's rejoin. Okay, Katana and Vicento, maybe it did not save. Okay, did it save? Probably not. I think that I should have excluded the player removing instead of this bind to close. So, or I just leave it as it is, because it did save back then and I have mistaken that, so I thought that it did not save. Okay, so let's put this out, Katana and Vicento, and stop. Now let's play this again. There we go. Okay, so it does save. And now let's duplicate those chests and give them different names. So that's the point, guys. You need to give them different names. Otherwise, they both, share the same data store. And that means that they share the same inventory at the end. So clicking on this should bring up my default inventory, so these two, and bring up this should give me an empty inventory. There we go. Wait, let's put a flintlock and Yoru inside. So remember, Katana, Vicento, Yoru, and flintlock. And now if I stop this, okay, it's not a valid member of, because it already has been removed by this one, I think. Yoru, flintlock, Katana, Vicento. There we go, guys. So it does work, as you can see. They do save and they share different, or they do not share, but they have different inventories, guys. So that's the way on, keeping those two chests apart and creating 2 different inventories, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, turn on the notification bell, guys, give me feedback in the comment section, and I will drop a link to this model inside of the description, guys. Take care and see you in the next video.